little friends! Welcome to Kids World! I wonder how I can make this little motor create electricity. Jessica, look at all this moving water. What are you thinking about now, John? I think we can use moving water to make electricity. Really? You mean a tiny water power station? Hold this piece steady, Jessica. I've got it. Let's make this machine work. Come on, please light up. Maybe we need to change something. I really thought it would work. Don't give up, John. Every mistake teaches us something.
John thinks he can make electricity from water.
Maybe I should stop.
No, John. Don't let them decide what you can do.
Maybe my idea really is silly. An idea isn't silly just because it doesn't work the first time. Then I'll try again. I know what we did wrong. We need more power from the moving water. Then let's build a better machine. These curved blades will catch more water. And more water movement means more energy. The generator is connected. Then we're ready for the biggest test yet. Ready? Ready! Let's see what the water can do. Jessica, did you see that? Yes! The light just flickered. It works! We actually did it! You never gave up, John. The storm is getting worse. I hope everyone in town is safe. Wait, our water generator. John, the river is flowing faster than ever. If we connect it here, the moving water can power the generator. Let's help the town get some light back. You made these lights work with the river?
The moving water powers the generator.
And John never gave up. Being a scientist doesn't mean being right every time. It means asking questions, learning from mistakes, and trying again. Excellent work, John and Jessica. The river taught me that every drop has power. And every big discovery starts with a little question.